3 batteries, controller, drone. Legs open. There's slight wind. I don't think it's too bad. I think it's going better and better and better. So there we go. Let's hope we are successful with our first flight. Now maiden flight. I've not flown a drone for many years. This one should be easy enough. Oops, we can't lose that. Okay, reds are on. Let's switch her on. 2 presses. There she is. She's getting warmed up. Let's see what we have here. We're in normal mode. Unable to take off so far. Only 7 satellites. That's no good. We need more than that. 10 satellites. That's better. We need 12 or more, really. No GPS. Why not? Okay.
Home point has been updated. Please
right.
check it on the map.
Home point is updated. We've got 19 satellites. Takeoff permitted. Very good. We can check our home point. Well, if it could show something like the map, it would be helpful. I'd like to see a better view of that. We're set to go, I think, with no connection. We're ready. Okay, take off in open uncredited area. Phone volume up to voice prompts. Battery level is 40% or more. Check.
Perform a safety check before you fly.
Yeah, that's removed. Those are all alarm propellers. The rear side facing us, so we can sort that out. Just move. There we go. Now we've got a view. First flight, guys. Are you ready? I'm never more ready than this. Let's get this first flight going. It's just giving us some tutorials, shooting one. 120 meters. That can be increased, but not in Europe, not in the EU, but in the UK it can. Looks good.
How to take off.
I'll hold this, and here we go.
Take off.
There we go. There she goes.
Home point has been updated. Please check it on the map. Push the control stick to make the aircraft ascend.
Let's give us all a tutorial, because it's the first. It's saying to ascend a bit.
Control aircraft to descend.
So there we go. I'm going forward. There we go.
Control aircraft to turn left. Control aircraft to turn right.
Okay.
Control aircraft to move forward.
It's a bit wavery. Okay, I'm flying forward. That's up. That's sideways. Okay, we'll just spin around a bit. There we go. Go that way.
Control aircraft to move backward.
Okay. That's not backwards.
Control aircraft to move leftward.
Leftward. That's right.
Control aircraft to move rightward.
There we go.
Learn how to land.
Oh, we're going to learn to land now. We've just took off. I guess we've just got to do this. Smart return to home. It's going to land in the current location, so we'll just try to get it about there. Land.
Landing.
That's how it's going to hit the gimbal, I think. The gimbal cover. Move that. Oops. We completed our tutorial. Congratulations, us. Well, that was a lucky one. I just kicked that out of the way. Best put that in a bag or something.